Hey y'all, so today I'm planting up some asparagus crowns. It's the purple passion asparagus, and I just thought I'd video how I do it. So my garden beds are not 100% complete yet because I keep running out of soil, and I've been to like Home Depot and our local nursery like 4 times and it's still not enough soil. But I know you won't judge. I'll do the best that I can. Oh, the sun is wild. And you just got to work with what you have sometimes. So here is where two of my asparagus plants crowns are going to go. One here and one here. I kind of leveled off this half of this bed, and then I'll finish that half when we come back from the hardware store, and then another here. And then I'm also going to plant one in the ground here, just in comparison, like how it does in the raised bed compared to how it does in the ground. And finally, I'm going to plant another one right here, which it is in shade right now. It's a little bit of a cloudy day, but in general, this area gets about 6 hours of sunlight before the shade comes in. So this will also be a good test for something that is literally in the middle of the yard that gets sun to a part that gets shaded off in the late afternoon. Okay, and I have my final asparagus plant right there in the ground, and this is the spot that is kind of shaded halfway through the day. I have in this garden bed right here, 1 and 2, and in the ground right here, 3, and right over there. These are like my little makeshift dog screens because my dogs love to come over here and see what's going on. And I planted it the same way, just kind of really working up the soil and adding the worm castings, gypsum, because I literally live in a box of clay, and planting with biotone. Okay, that's it. I'm just going to clean up my greenhouse and I'm done for the day. If you have any tips for asparagus, this is my first time doing it, so they would be greatly appreciated. Okay, we'll see you in the March tour.